With gorgeous harbor and sunset views, the beautiful Prince Waikīkī has been a favorite for visitors and locals alike for many years.
They completed a major renovation project in April 2017, but their commitment to sustainability and energy conservation began long before.
Let's check it out!
I'm Chuck Abbott. I'm the general manager of the Prince Waikīkī.
14 months is on either side of a massive renovation project that Prince Waikīkī went through. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure, we spent almost $60 million, and obviously doing that, you do all the nice things that the guests can see and feel, which is obviously the pool that's behind us and renovating the guest rooms and the lobby. But we also looked at all of our energy. Things that we could do, whether it be incorporating LED lighting. One example is our guest rooms. We did solar-powered shades, so basically really let the nature take care of our power and so forth. We've done, improving certain heaters, pumps, etc. Anything we could do that we thought we would be able to save some energy, we actually wanted to incorporate that into our program.
Great.
We did numerous energy efficiency projects with them, but I would like to highlight two.
Okay.
One of them to start with is changing out 3 500-ton York chillers, replacing the old train chillers. The second would be CO2 monitors for our self-parking and our valet lot garages, which the fans run 24/7.
Okay.
So now it was through Clear Blue Energy that almost was fully funded by Hawaii Energy.
Okay.
Almost $90-something thousand worth of incentive. And then we would run that 24/7, 4 fans. Now we're lucky we run it for even 30 minutes a week.
Our EMS AC control, which is the newly put in of the renovation. If the room is not occupied, then it's gonna slow down and go to energy saving mode. The fan is gonna go low and the temperature gonna keep up to the default. To me, even for the company or personally, working with Hawaii Energy and saving energy through Hawaii Energy program, it means a lot.
It obviously reduces our energy consumption. If that reduces our energy consumption, basically it saves us money. So that's obviously an incentive to do that. Even obviously the cost of energy keeps going up, so anything we can do to make sure we use less and less energy is beneficial to the overall operation, but more importantly to the environment in general.